Welcome to M365 Professional Videos. If you're into use Microsoft 365 productivity, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into how to automatically number rows in Microsoft Excel, where you'll learn key benefit. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss this. Add sequential numbers in Excel by using the fill handle or the row function. Select the first cell in your series. Type the starting value. Type a value in the next cell. To establish a pattern, select the cells with the starting values. Drag the fill handle across the range that you want to fill. Or you can use the row function, which doesn't require a pattern. Select the first cell in your series. Type =, row parenthesis A1. Press Enter. Drag the fill handle across the range that you want to fill. That's it. Automatically numbering rows in Excel is a simple yet powerful feature that boosts productivity and enhances data management. Whether you are managing a student list, tracking inventory, or building reports, knowing how to generate row numbers efficiently can save time and reduce errors. From using basic fill handles to advanced VBA and Power Query, Excel offers flexible solutions for every skill level. Try these methods out and choose the one that fits your workflow best. If you're managing large datasets frequently, consider turning your range into an Excel table or using dynamic formulas to make your sheets smarter and more responsive. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next video.